Here's something men hate hearing but need to hear. By the time you're wondering whether she wanted you to make a move, she's already made up her mind about you. Not because you failed, but because you waited. Women don't end attraction with arguments or explanations. They end it with silence, distance, and a quiet shift you never notice until it's too late. The most dangerous moments aren't obvious, they're subtle, they're calm, they feel unfinished, and that's exactly why most men miss them. There are 7 signs that tell you she's already open, already ready, already expecting you to step up. If you don't recognize them in real time, attraction doesn't stall, it expires. Women rarely say, make a move. Instead, they create conditions where a confident man naturally does. This isn't about pickup tricks or forcing anything. It's about reading behavior, timing, and emotional openings correctly. If you want to stop guessing and start seeing what most men miss, hit like and subscribe. Now let's break down exactly what those moments look like and what they demand from you. Number 1, she stops filling the silence. Most men panic when a conversation goes quiet. They feel the pressure to perform, to entertain, to say something, anything to keep the moment alive. And without realizing it, they talk themselves right out of attraction. Here's the reframe you need to understand. Silence doesn't kill attraction. Misreading silence does. When a woman isn't interested, her nervous system looks for an exit. She fills the gap immediately. She reaches for her phone. She changes the subject. She talks just to avoid the discomfort. Her body is saying, I don't want to be here. But when she's attracted, something very different happens. She stops filling the silence, and she stays. The laughter fades, the conversation slows, and instead of escaping the space, she remains present. Her eyes don't wander, her body doesn't close, she doesn't rush to rescue the moment. She lets it breathe. That pause isn't empty, that pause is loaded. Picture this. You're sitting next to her, maybe after a shared laugh. The noise drops away, there's a brief stillness. She looks at you without saying anything. Her posture stays open, her lips part slightly. No phone, no distraction. This is where most men sabotage themselves. They start rambling, they crack a nervous joke. They ask a random meaningless question just to break the tension because they are uncomfortable with it. But that tension is the point. That quiet moment is her giving you space to lead emotionally, physically, masculinely. When she invites silence, she's watching what you do with it. Do you rush to fill it like someone seeking approval? Or do you stay grounded, present, and intentional? Because here's the truth, most men never hear. When you destroy that silence, you don't look polite. You look unsure. You signal that you don't know how to hold the moment, and leadership dies right there. That silence is her test without words. It's her saying, I feel safe here, show me what you're going to do next. And if you don't step into it, she won't ask again. Number 2, she teases you and tests your confidence. When a woman starts teasing you, most men misunderstand what's actually happening. They think it's either harmless flirting or worse, disrespect. And because they misread it, they respond the wrong way. They explain themselves, they seek approval, they try to win her back into a nice interaction. That's where attraction quietly drops. Teasing is not random, and it's definitely not accidental. When a woman teases you, she's applying pressure on purpose. She's creating a small emotional imbalance to see how you handle it. Not to embarrass you, not to insult you, but to measure you. Can you stay centered when the dynamic shifts, or do you collapse the moment it stops being comfortable? She might say something like, you think you're smooth, don't you? Or, I don't know. You seem like trouble. On the surface, it sounds playful. Underneath, it's a test of leadership. She's watching closely to see if you chase validation or if you remain grounded in yourself. If you get defensive, flustered, or overly eager to explain, she learns something important about you very quickly. She learns that pressure destabilizes you, and that doesn't feel safe. Confidence under pressure is one of the strongest attraction signals a man can send because it communicates emotional control. It says, I don't lose myself when the frame shifts. That's why teasing often increases when attraction increases. She's not pushing you away, she's pulling information out of you. Here's where most men fail. They try to pass the test by being clever or agreeable or overly charming. But the goal isn't to impress her with words, the goal is to remain unshaken. Because she's not teasing you to see if you're funny. She's teasing you to see if you're solid. If you respond calmly with presence and light authority, attraction deepens. She feels more relaxed, more curious, more drawn in. But if you fold even slightly, the impression sets fast. This man can't lead when the dynamic gets unpredictable. And once that impression forms, it's very hard to reverse. So remember this, she's not teasing you for entertainment. She's measuring how you hold yourself when the ground shifts beneath you. And if you pass, she doesn't pull back, she leans in. Number 3, the slow blink. This is one of the quietest signals a woman gives, and one of the most intimate. You won't catch it if you're scanning for excitement. You'll only notice it if you're present. The slow blink happens when she looks at you. And instead of blinking quickly and reflexively, her eyelids close slowly, deliberately, and reopen while her gaze stays on you. There's no exaggeration, no performance, just a calm, unguarded moment. This isn't flirting in the way most men think, it's trust. On a biological level, a slow blink signals nervous system safety. In the animal world, it's a sign of relaxation and connection. Cats do it when they feel secure. Humans, especially women, do it when their guard drops. Her body is saying something before her mind catches up. Imagine the moment the conversation eases, words become less important. You lock eyes, and instead of rushing to fill the space, she softens. Her blink slows, she doesn't look away. Time stretches just a little. That's not boredom, that's emotional openness. This is where many men make a costly mistake. They break eye contact, they shift in their seat, they look away to avoid feeling exposed. And in doing so, they snap the connection she was offering. Not because she demanded anything, but because she trusted you enough to stay. The slow blink is her nervous system relaxing in your presence. It's her saying, I feel safe enough here to stop guarding, and that's a rare state. Women don't enter it casually. When you recognize it, the response isn't to escalate aggressively. It's to stay grounded, to lean in slightly, to lower your voice, to let the moment deepen instead of rushing past it. Because if you pull away, the window closes. She won't argue. She won't ask you to come back. She'll simply rearm emotionally. The slow blink is not loud. It doesn't announce itself. But when it happens, attraction has already crossed into trust. And trust is where real connection and real opportunity begins. Number 4, she fixes her appearance for you. When a woman is attracted, her body reacts before her mind ever labels it as interest. This isn't vanity. This isn't insecurity, and it's definitely not something she's planning. It's instinct. You'll notice it in small, almost forgettable movements. She smooths her dress when you sit down. She adjusts her hair when you enter the conversation. She straightens her posture when she catches you looking. Maybe she checks her reflection, touches her necklace, or subtly moistens her lips. Most men see these behaviors and dismiss them as meaningless. Or worse, they assume she's like that with everyone. But timing matters. Watch when she does it. Is it when you walk into the room? When your attention shifts toward her? When the interaction becomes more focused, more one-on-one? If her appearance changes in response to your presence, that's not random, that's reactive. Her subconscious is saying, this man's attention matters. Here's a detail most men overlook. Women do not invest effort where there is no emotional return. When she's neutral about you, her body stays neutral. No adjustments, no awareness, no self-presentation shift, your background noise. But when attraction is there, her body tries to meet the moment. She elevates herself to match the connection forming between you. Think about how often this happens after a brief separation. She excuses herself, then returns looking slightly different, hair repositioned, lip gloss refreshed, clothing adjusted just enough to be noticed. That wasn't coincidence, and here's the critical mistake men make. They shrink back instead of leaning in, they doubt their perception. They second-guess the signal, and in doing so, they waste the opening, because this behavior is her quiet way of saying, I care how you see me. She doesn't adjust for the room, she doesn't adjust for the crowd. She adjusts for you. When you trigger that shift and fail to respond, the energy drops, the window closes. She recalibrates and pulls back into neutrality. But if you recognize it, if you stay present and grounded, you step out of the background. And once that happens, you're no longer just another man in the room. You're the variable changing how she shows up. Number 5, she stays engaged when she doesn't have to. One of the clearest signs of attraction has nothing to do with chemistry on the surface, and everything to do with energy. Because when a woman isn't interested, her attention leaves before her body does. You'll feel it immediately. Her replies shorten, her eyes drift, her presence fades. Even if she's being polite, her energy is already halfway out the door. But when she's attracted, something different happens. She stays engaged even when there's no reason to. The conversation doesn't have to be exciting. The topic doesn't have to be impressive. You could be talking about something completely ordinary, even forgettable, and she's still there, still listening, still reacting, still invested. That's not about the subject, that's about you. Women don't spend emotional energy on men they don't see as options. They conserve it, they protect it. So when she continues to engage, asking follow-up questions, laughing naturally, offering her own thoughts, she's doing something very specific. She's choosing connection. Pay attention to how she responds. Is she simply answering you, or is she throwing the energy back, keeping the interaction alive? There's a massive difference between politeness and presence. Presence requires intention. Think about this scenario. The conversation lulls. Most men assume interest has faded. But she doesn't leave, she doesn't disengage, she stays right there looking at you, contributing, waiting. That's not passive behavior, that's quiet investment. And here's where men misplay it. They keep talking instead of leading. They treat her engagement as something to maintain rather than something to move forward. They miss the fact that she's already done her part. When a woman stays emotionally present without incentive, she's signaling readiness. She's building rapport, so the next step feels natural, not forced. That's her way of saying, I'm here, I'm open, don't stall, because if you don't act on that investment, she will eventually withdraw it. Not angrily, not dramatically, she'll just stop offering it. And once emotional investment pulls back, attraction follows. So understand this clearly. When she stays engaged, even when she doesn't have to, the door is already open. What she's watching for next is whether you're confident enough to walk through it. Number 6, she doesn't move away when you get close. The body answers questions long before the mind does, especially when it comes to attraction. Human beings have an automatic response to physical proximity. When someone we're uncomfortable with gets too close, our body reacts instantly. We lean back, we tense up. We create distance. This happens before logic, before politeness, before words. So when a woman doesn't move away, that matters more than most men realize. Imagine you're sitting next to her and your legs brush lightly. She doesn't shift, or your arms touch, and she leaves them there. You lean in to say something, and instead of pulling back, she holds eye contact or even leans in slightly herself. That's not nothing. That's her nervous system signaling comfort and trust. When a woman allows you into her personal space without resistance, no stiffening, no withdrawal, no closing off, she's telling you that your presence feels safe, familiar, welcome. And here's where many men freeze. They notice the closeness, but fear takes over. What if I'm misreading this? What if I go too far? So they do nothing. They lock up. They wait. But hesitation in these moments doesn't read as respectful. It reads as uncertainty, because she already answered with her body. If she closes the distance herself, stands close, angles her body toward you, finds casual reasons to touch your hand or stay within reach, that's not accidental. That's invitation, and when you ignore that invitation, she doesn't correct you. She doesn't explain. She simply stops offering it. Here's the truth most men need to hear. Consent isn't only verbal. Comfort is communicated physically constantly, and when she doesn't move away, she's giving you information. Her body already answered. Your mind just didn't catch up. This is where leadership matters. Not force, not aggression. Presence, intentionality. Matching her energy without rushing past it, because when she allows closeness and you fail to respond, she recalibrates. She assumes you're either not interested or not capable of leading the moment. And once that assumption forms, the window closes. So when she stays close, when she doesn't pull away, the responsibility quietly shifts to you. What you do next tells her everything she needs to know. Number 7, she creates moments for you to act. This is the sign that brings all the others together. By the time this happens, attraction isn't forming anymore. It's already formed. Here's the mistake most men make. They wait for permission. They wait for clear verbal confirmation. They wait for her to say something unmistakable, something that removes all risk. That moment rarely comes. Instead, a woman creates the moment. She slows things down. She changes the environment. She says something that feels slightly more personal than necessary, something that lingers in the air. I feel really comfortable around you. I've never done anything spontaneous like this before. It's nice being here like this. On the surface, those statements sound casual, but they're not informational. They're directional. She's setting the stage and watching to see if you recognize it. Women who are attracted don't usually initiate the final move, not because they're passive, but because they want to respond. They want to feel chosen, desired, led into the moment. So instead of acting directly, they create opportunity. You'll notice it in how she positions herself, sitting closer, holding eye contact longer, letting silence stretch, bringing up intimacy without naming it outright. Everything slows, narrows, focuses. And if you've seen the previous signs, if she stayed in the silence, tested your confidence, softened her gaze, adjusted her appearance, invested her attention, and allowed closeness, then this moment isn't a question. It's an expectation. By now she's already made a quiet decision. What she's waiting to see is whether you're capable of stepping into it. This is where hesitation costs the most. If you don't act, she won't explain what you missed. She won't guide you through it. She won't bring it up again. She'll simply reinterpret you, not as a bad guy, not as someone who failed, but as someone who didn't get it. And once that perception settles in, attraction dissolves fast. Because this moment doesn't repeat itself. It only appears when timing, comfort, trust, and desire align. And when it does, the responsibility shifts fully onto you. So when she creates the moment, when everything slows and feels loaded, don't overthink it. Don't analyze it to death. Stay present. Take the breath. Step forward. She already opened the door. What she's waiting to see now is whether you're willing to walk through it. Attraction rarely disappears because a man does something wrong. More often it dies because he does nothing at all. The signs you just learned aren't loud. They don't announce themselves. They don't come with guarantees, but they are clear. If you know how to read behavior, instead of waiting for words, silence that lingers, teasing that applies pressure, a gaze that softens, a body that stays close, attention that doesn't pull away, moments that feel intentionally set. These aren't accidents. They're signals. And here's the shift most men need to make. Women don't fall for explanations, hesitation, or perfect timing. They respond to presence, to decisiveness, to a man who understands the moment and steps into it without asking to be rescued from the risk. Attraction doesn't punish you for being imperfect. It punishes you for being absent. Because when a woman is ready and you don't move, she doesn't argue with reality. She accepts it and rewrites who you are in her mind. Not as someone who failed, but as someone who never showed up. Women don't remember you for what you said. They remember you for the moment you took charge when it mattered. If this changed how you see those moments, subscribe. Not for entertainment, but for clarity, for perspective that helps you read situations before they pass you by. And if you've ever looked back and realized you missed a moment like this, leave a comment. Not out of regret, but awareness. Because once you see these signals clearly, you don't unsee them. And next time you won't hesitate.